Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire.
The Paradox Museum in Limassol, Cyprus, offers a unique and captivating experience that blends art, science, and psychology through over 50 interactive exhibits. Located in the heart of this vibrant coastal city, the museum challenges visitors' perceptions with mind-bending illusions like the Ames Room, Infinity Tunnel, and Anti-Gravity Room. Each exhibit is designed to be hands-on and engaging, providing educational insights into the science behind optical illusions. Popular among photography enthusiasts, the museum also offers guided tour for those seeking a deeper understanding of the exhibits. Visit the Paradox Museum for an unforgettable journey into the world of illusion and perception.
Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The glass so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you.